Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nash. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Instagram and Twitter. It's at Queen Nash Rapi.
Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey.
So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my own eyebrow pomade and how I do my eyebrows. So here is the eyebrow pomade I made with two simple materials. So if you want to know how I made this eyebrow pomade and how I made the snatch eyebrows,
You will need a hair gel or a pomade. Me, I use Got to Be Ultra Glued. Next is an eyeshadow shade that you don't need anymore. So pick the shade that is close to your eyebrows, the dark shade or the lighter brown shade. And also a container where you will put the mixture in. Fill the container with the gel or pomade you have on how much eyebrow product you want to make. Now using the eyeshadow shade you want, you add it to the mixture. The powder should be really mashed before you mix it to the mixture because you don't want some crumbs of the powder not being really mixed with the pomade or gel. Mix as much as eyeshadow you want until the desired color has been made, and make sure you mix it properly so that all the eyebrow or the gel pomade has the eyeshadow powder. Use the angled brush to mix it, and you will also use that for the application of the eyebrow. Mix it until you get the consistency of you want. It's different on what gel or pomade you use, but for me the consistency is kind of runny. It's not like a pomade style, but it's a gel, so it will dry up once you put it on the eyebrows. So get the product that you will only need because it has too much of a pigment. So get only the product you need when you put it on your eyebrows. So when putting it on your eyebrows, make sure to brush your eyebrows up so the hair will not be all over the place. Brush it towards where you want the hair to be when you want it gelled. So now when getting the product, get only a little bit of it because it's runny. But if you use a pomade, it won't be runny, so it's really up to how you made the product. So for me, I get only a small amount of eyebrow gel. So now I line it first at the top part of the eyebrow, precisely on how sharp I want the arc of my eyebrow to be. I constantly add product when I extend to the outer parts of the eyebrow because I want the faded effect, or where it started from the light color until it gets to the darker color at the ends of my eyebrows. So I fill into where it doesn't have hair. And now I'm done with the top part. I'm filling in the down part of the eyebrow. I want my eyebrows straight but kind of arched, so I just follow the shape I want. Gently fill in the down part of the eyebrows, making different strokes for it to look natural and not like lined with a permanent marker. Try to mimic some brush strokes where it would look like small little hairs. Or now once the shape of your eyebrows are final, you want to fill in the empty spaces you had without hair. That's how you're going to make the eyebrows dramatic. Be careful when filling in because you might make it look like, again, a permanent marker. Use little strokes but now harder this time because you want it to be more pigmented than the inner part of the eyebrow. When you go to the outer, you make the strokes harder for it to look more like a thicker color compared to the inner part of the eyebrow. Continue filling in until the desired intensity and color of the eyebrows are achieved. Me, I really want the outer part dark, that's why I keep on adding more product and also adding the gel part for the hair to be positioned on the place I want it to be. When you go to the inner part of the eyebrow, make sure you make the light stroke so that it would mimic hair strands. So for me, I only use a very light hand so that it won't give you a dark light strokes because you want to mimic some small eyebrow hairs to achieve the faded effect. After filling in with the color, it's now time to brush the hair onto the desired position. So I brush it outwards and upwards because I want the hair to fall in that position. This is also the time where I scatter the crumb products of the other parts of the eyebrows to make it appear more smooth. And now I'm trying to fix the lines to make it more precise and sharp and dramatic. And now you're done. Make sure you also do it with your other eyebrows. And remember, they are twins or sisters. Make sure it's the same shape, same arcs, and be ready to be on fleek.
So that's it. It's very easy, right? So that's how I made my own eyebrow pomade without buying. So this is only like 100 pesos lang kasi yung used eyeshadow and also yung pomade hair gel na gagamitin mo. So, it's very easy and parang ang dami ko nang pwedeng magawa. So, siguro mga 5 years ko na siyang gagawin pang kilay. And what's nice about it is it's also a gel so it holds your eyebrow hair in place. And matagal siya matanggal. So, thank you for watching how I made my own pomade and how I do my eyebrows. I hope you guys learned from this video. Watch all my other videos in this account. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn the bell on for notifications. See you on my next video. Bye!